Hello fam. In this video I will show you how to move Gmail mails to folder automatically. In this way your mail will be more organized. We will make label, and apply filters to that label. So any mail from that sender will automatically go to that folder. For this tutorial I will use mails from Google and show you how to make all emails from this mail address go to folder that I created automatically. As you may know, if you check this box next to any mail, and go to labels up here, you can transfer this mail to default label. Or you can create new. Give it a name and press create. And here is our label we created, and mail we selected will be inside. But what if you want that all mails from this sender go to this label automatically? Stay with me, and I will show you how to do it in just a second. Okay, for start, I will delete this label I created. Now select desired email that you want to receive in label we will create, and check box next to it. Click on these three dots up here, and select filter messages like these. This window will open, and here you can apply sender email address, from who you want to move emails to this label. This mail was added automatically, but if you want you can add more email addresses here. Here you can add subject. That will be mentioned in every mail you receive from this sender. Now you can click on Create Filter. Here you can check Skip the inbox, so this emails won't come in your inbox folder when received. I will also check this box where it says Also apply filter to 22 matching conversations. This will move all mails I already received from this sender to this label. Now check the box next to apply the label, and then click on Choose Label. Select New Label, and here enter label name. I will name it Google, and press Create. Click on Create Filter. It will take some time to load, or just go to Gmail again. And on the left side, you see Google label we just created, with all Google mails that I received from my inbox folder. And from now on, any mail from this sender will be received only in this Google folder, and not in inbox. You can modify this label anytime if you want to. Just click on this settings button in top right corner, and click on See All Settings. Now click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here is our label. You can delete it here, or click on Edit. And if maybe this person changed email address, you can modify it here, or add a new one. Click on Continue, and here you can change filters that apply for this label. When you are done, click on Update Filter. I hope I helped you, so your Gmail look a little more organized. If I did, please like the video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and if you didn't already, subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.